I still dream of Organon. I wake up crying, you're making rain, and you're just in reach. What? Hey, y'all. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. My name is Emily. Over here we got the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons. Ikadome BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons. Say hello to these nice people.
Hey everybody, how you doing?
And today, we thought we'd just kind of give you a little tour of the house. Let you see a little behind the scenes of BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO with Emily AUBREY and Michael Lyons. All right, so this is the studio. Michael?
Yeah?
What's this drawing mean?
That's my self-portrait.
A self-portrait of Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist, huh?
Yep.
You got some angel wings. You got your are you playing the guitar? All right. Oh, I like this picture. This is a cute picture. Here's Michael and Natasha. And there's a poster. Anyway, let's go down. Here's the bedroom.
I still dream of Organon. Wake up crying, you're making rain, and you're just in reach. When you in sleep escape me, you're like my yo-yo that glowed in the dark. What made it special, made it dangerous, so I'll bury it and forget. But every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun coming out. Ooh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. I don't know when, but just saying it could even make it happen. On top of the world, looking over the edge, you could see them coming. You look too small in their big black car to be a threat to the men in power. I hid my yo-yo in the garden. I can't hide you from the government. Oh God, Daddy, I won't forget. But every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun coming out. Oh, I just know that something good is gonna happen.
Oh, what? All right, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons on the here's the living room. This is the room we live in. We couldn't afford a place that had a dining room, so we had to settle for a living room. No. Okay. So there's that. Let's go to the kitchen. Did you do the dishes?
No. Did you do the dishes?
No, I don't do dishes. We need to do the dishes, sweetie. All right. Here's the kitchen. On top of the world, looking over the edge. La-dee-da, dee-da-dee-dum. Hey, what's the story behind this? You want to talk about who's this fellow?
That's Victor Frankenstein.
Victor Frankenstein. And he's thinking about the Frankenstein monster. I like he's writing his journal. Why'd you draw this cartoon?
I did a little short comic about him.
Oh. All right. Well, there you have it, folks. Oh, let's go back to the studio. Do 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 do. Oh yeah, yeah. Come on, baby. Oh, do, do, do. Oh, na 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 na. Hey, everybody, welcome back to the show.
Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture. Fan's about to go off.
Here it comes. Thanks so much for watching the show.
You show us everything you've got. You keep on dancing and the moon is hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You say I wanna go for a spin. All the 50 will let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. You're looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, you drive me crazy. Show us everything you've got. Baby, that's quite alright. You drive us wild, you drive me crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. Baby, I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night you.
Meat Witch! All right.
BOOZHOO. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
A podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and this over here is Emily AUBREY.
BOOZHOO.
And we get to sing some songs for you tonight.
Yeah.
So, without further ado, here's a song by David Bowie.
Rest in peace.
Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway, sway through the crowd to an empty space. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower. Let's dance for fear your grace should fall. Let's dance for fear tonight is all. Let's sway, you could look into my eyes. Let's sway under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. Hey, look, you're on camera.
Say hello.
Hi, I'm my babe. My Jesus is right here.
That's your mom. Hi, Mom.
What are you doing?
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Welcome to Get Your Gummy Library. Can you say Get Your Gummy?
Get your gummy.
Oh, that's really good. That's the name of the library. And we're in Bemidji, Minnesota. What's your name?
I know.
You don't know? I thought your name was Babe.
Okay.
Okay. You want to read a story, Babe?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think
I know.
if we read...
Hi.
Have you ever read Walking in Winter Wonderland?
Yeah.
Can you hold this book?
love and I took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around. And then I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought me down. Whoa, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above? And can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I sail through the changes in my life? I don't know. I don't know. Well, I've been afraid of changing because I've built my life around you. And time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Yeah, I'm getting older too. So take this love, take it down. You climb a mountain and you turned around, and if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, the landslide will bring us down, down. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, landslide will bring us down, down.
Walking in a winter.
Landslide will bring us down.
Sung by Peggy Lee.
Oh, sweetie.
First page.
Yep. Yes. Yes.
Walking in a winter wonderland. Hey, dude, what's up? Sleigh bells ring. Are you listening?
Mm-hmm. Hi.
Hi.
I'm watching.
In the lane, snow is glistening.
Yeah.
Yeah, huh? A
Okay.
beautiful sight.
Okay.
Oh no, sweetie.
It's okay, my baby.
Okay, try not to break the camera. Maybe Dad can help. Can you help me hold this book in front of the camera?
This
Okay.
is my dad.
Rest in peace, the thin white duke. La, 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 la.
I would be king, and you will be my queen. Though nothing would keep us together, we could beat them just for one day. Then we could be heroes just for one day. What you say? And you, I wish you could swim like the dolphin, like dolphins can swim. 'Cause we're lovers, and that is a fact. Yes, we're lovers, and that is that. So nothing us together. We could be that forever and ever. But we could be heroes
Just for one day.
What you say? Oh, we could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day.
Around here.
Just for one day.
And it's just me and Michael Lyons. Say, take it down, BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons. Say hello to these nice people.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the show.
And you look like you look terrible. If we're gonna do this, why don't you fix yourself up?
Okay.
Alright, that's enough.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Miigwech ga bizin da wieg. Thank you for listening, and I will see you again. Gi ga wabamin,
Gigawababin.
mina
Minawa.
wa.
Hoa.
He's a new bird.
Alright, I think that's
He is singing a song as we go along. Walking in a winter wonderland.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
In the meadow.
Let me read a book.
You want to read it? Can you hold it?
Look at the snowman.
They're building a snowman.
Look.
Who's
That's
that?
my babe.
Is that your babe?
That's my sister. That's my brother. And that's my sister.
Oh, you guys are so happy. Look at that, you're smiling.
That's my mommy.
Who's this little guy here?
Brother.
Your other? Okay.
That's my brother. That's my in-law.
What are they building? What's this? What's this guy?
I know.
He's a snowman.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. Look. Do you know what those are?
Yes.
Those are birds. Those are owls.
Can you say owl?
Owl.
Very good. Cuckoo. Cuckoosh. Cuckoo.
Look it.
You know, Ojibwe sounds something like what they sound.
Cuckoo. Oosh. All done? All right. You want to read another book? Or do you guys gotta go? All right. Hey, here, I'm going to teach you a word. Can you say, Gigawabamin?
Hello, man.
Gigawabamin. I'll see ya.
Hi. Hi.
Thank you for coming to story time.
Thank you.
Will you come back?
Yeah.
All right. Gigawabamin.